There is a nip in the air ahead of the winter season in Delhi, but sadly there is also smoke in that same air, and that's what Delhi NCR people are currently facing. Remember that it is that part of the season where we should be getting ready for the festivities, but there's smog, and people are choking because of the stubble fire that's emanating from nearby areas and the states. Delhi's air quality, you should know, has deteriorated to very poor level, with the AQI reaching 354. Worsening air pollution in the national capital has been raising concerns. These are seasonal changes that are contributing to dip in the air quality, contributing to factors of alarming pollution levels, including transportation emission, stubble burning, which is one of the main reasons. Now, between 15 September and October 2022, what are the satellite images showing? Remember, this is what you see on the ground about the kind of air that is. But 3,878 residue burning events have been recorded across different parts of the states in the North Indian belt. Remember, this is hazardous air quality that we are breathing. Think of the children, senior citizens, and those who face respiratory concerns. Very poor category right now, and it's likely to perhaps escalate in the days to come. The question then remains, what are the policymakers doing? Only promises, no policy on the ground.
इधर में जो ये पोल्यूशन हुआ है, इससे थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आ रही है. थोड़ी सी क्या ज़्यादा ही दिक्कत हो रही है. आज तो ज़्यादा ही लग रहा है कि गले में खराश आ रही है, आंखों में पानी, मतलब आंखों में जलन सा हो रहा है. और वही चीज़ें जैसे इससे क्या हो रहा है, फिर छाती में ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ भर गया, जैसे ये ना पोल्यूशन अंदर जाके ऐसा लग रहा है कि छाती जाम हो चुकी है. जितने भी नेता है, पॉलिटिक्स है, सारे लोगों को ध्यान देना पड़ेगा इस चीज़ों को कि इसका क्या हाल निकले, और निकालना ही पड़ेगा.
जैसे कि अभी हम देख रहे हैं कि जैसे जैसे दिवाली का फेस्टिवल पास आते जा रहा है कि हमारे दिल्ली का जो एयर एनवायरनमेंट है, एयर पोल्यूशन बढ़ता जा रहा है. एंड लास्ट ईयर के अगर हम कंपैरिजन में देखें तो इस साल थोड़ा पोल्यूशन का लेवल ज़्यादा ही दिख रहा है दिवाली से पहले के मुकाबले. अगर अभी देखें तो हमें प्रॉब्लम होती है, हमारे हल्का से चेस्ट में भी पेन होने लग जाता है, क्योंकि कई सारे पॉल्यूटेंट जो है हमारे बॉडी के अंदर चले जाते हैं, जो अनवांटेड है, जो हमें चाहिए भी नहीं होते. तो कई सारी चीज़ें प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. रनिंग करते वक्त हमें प्रॉब्लम आती है, साइकिलिंग करते वक्त प्रॉब्लम आ रही है हमें. तो अवेयरनेस थोड़ा इस चीज़ को लोगों के बीच में आनी चाहिए.
So let me now bring in my colleague Amit Bhardwaj joining me this morning. Amit, I would like to say good morning, but the fact is, for a few minutes while we enjoy that sort of a wintry feeling every morning when we are coming toward the office, and then we immediately realize it is also the smoke that we are breathing in. What do you see and feel around you? What is the air quality like?
Certainly, Pooja, it's a hazy morning, a morning full of smog, and right now I'm standing right next to Bharat Mandapam. On any given day, especially because Delhi had a lot of good air quality days in 2024, but let me bring you this picture as well. As we speak, this is the entire stretch which takes you to the ITO crossover. It's all hazy as Ankit will pan the camera towards the right-hand side. Bharat Mandapam is literally a few meters away from where I'm standing right now, and the main complex would be merely 300 meters away. But it's all hazy, covered with smog right now, and that itself is a telling picture of the kind of situation that is unfolding in the national capital. Because remember, we are still standing in the Lutean zone, a zone where you have greenery. Green belt is comparatively, more in comparison to areas such as Alipur, Anand Vihar. And what is the story there? This morning when Delhiites woke up, the AQI in the national capital is above 350. It is heading towards a severe category. And why I'm saying that is that if you look at the meter stations in the national capital, out of 30 stations in the national capital, 20 are showing indicators above 350. Locations such as Anand Vihar, Alipur, all these areas are where it has already either breached 400 or is about to touch 400 mark. So that is a very concerning situation. The Delhi government has been talking about this, that this time around NCR is going to face a critical challenge near Diwali. But a week before Diwali, such is the situation that all that you see already in Delhi, yes. Delhi at least, is higher AQI levels and serious health challenge unfolding. Back to you.
I would just say that having lived in Delhi all my life, I've been fortunate to see a proper fog, which was the winter fog. and to see the smog right now, which is making our lives so difficult. And I wonder what leaders on the ground are really doing apart from the promises. Amit, keep tracking all the latest on that and think about the people who are breathing in and the kind of impact it's having on the lungs in the long term. 350 is the air quality index.